एक बात बताओ, हमारी लाइफ की रियलिटी अब थोड़ा ओवरवेलम करने लगी है ना हमें. So much of pain, suffering, middle of a pandemic, lockdown, dead animals. It's just becoming unbearable, isn't it? Which is why we prescribe Chintu ka birthday.
चलिए चिंटू बाबू का बर्थडे है आज. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
बस बिजली नहीं जानी चाहिए.
अरे नहीं जाएगा बिजली, निश्चिंत रहिए, थोड़ा मुस्कुराइए.
पापा 1 महीना से बोल रहे हैं कि इस बार जबरदस्त बर्थडे बनेगा.
Hi guys, I am Stuti and this is exactly the film that I will be reviewing. Chintu ka birthday. नाम सुन के चिल्ड्रंस फिल्म लगती है.
कुलिया गे दुगो जाम.
और मेरा बर्थडे.
Open up. Took you so long, buddy.
Double check the room. I can explain.
Get him down! Is he part of your family?
See, there is a mistake.
Say one more!
But actually it's for the young and young at heart. Written and directed by Devanshu Kumar and Satyanshu Singh. On the face of it, Chintu ka birthday is a sweet, simple story, 1 hour 20 minutes long. But for such a film to hold our attention, it was important that we fall in love with Chintu.
My Chintu is crying on his happy birthday. It is wrong.
पापा इसको केक में खिलाएंगे.
And that's exactly what happens. It's love at first sight. आप चिंटू को देखते हो और आपको चिंटू से प्यार हो जाता है because they've cast the cutest kid, Vedant Chibbar, in the role of this go blue चश्मा पहना हुआ बच्चा who's very excited about his birthday.
टोटल कितना दोस्त आएगा शाम को?
25.
हाँ?
25.
In fact, casting के लिए पूरे number. It's like half the battle won. Chintu is cute. You meet Chintu की बड़ी बहन, played by Bisha Chaturvedi. She's sweet. You meet Chintu के मम्मी पापा यानी कि विनय पाठक and Tilotama Shom, and you can't imagine anyone else playing these roles. Chintu को लाड कर रही है उनकी नानी यानी कि सीमा पावा. तो अब तो आपको सबसे प्यार हो गया है. And you realize that this story is one day in Chintu's life, which is his birthday. Now we as viewers are watching this laptop पे, right? Z5 पे ये film stream हो रही है. पर हमें चिंटू से इतना प्यार है that suddenly you're like, what can we do to make this birthday special for Chintu? And that's when you realize it's easier said than done. But the problem is that Chintu और उसकी sweet little family are stuck in war-ravaged Iraq. सीन है एक फिल्म में जहाँ एनिमेशन के जरिए और चिंटू की क्यूट आवाज़ में वो हमें अपनी बैक स्टोरी बताता है. उसकी फैमिली बगदाद कैसे आई, क्यों आई, एंड उसकी कहानी का विलन अमेरिका वाले अंकल जिसने उसके बर्थडे के कुछ दिन पहले छूट-मूट अपने सोल्जर्स भेज दिए. I'm just trying to talk like him, but it was such an innocent way to explain something as horrific as what happened in Iraq. जब situation हमें समझ में आती है, our heart goes out to this family. We're doing everything possible to make this day special for this little kid.
चिंटू, अब याद आए है नानी का पैर छूना है.
पापा याद दिलाए नानी.
But nothing is falling into place. जैसे जैसे मुसीबतें आती हैं वैसे वैसे हम नए कैरेक्टर्स से मिलते हैं. They have an Iraqi uncle played by Khalid Masood. There are American soldiers and of course चिंटू के छोटे दोस्त जो उसके बर्थडे पार्टी के लिए आते हैं.
Best friend, girlfriend, she go to school, you destroyed this morning.
Now, even though this is a heartwarming story about a little kid wanting a perfect birthday,
टिकुलिया गे दुगो जामुन खीराओ कोयली के बछुआ टिकुलिया.
in a way we can all relate to this, right? हम सब एक ऐसी सिचुएशन में अभी फंसे हैं जहां अपने स्पेशल डेज हम उस हिसाब से सेलिब्रेट नहीं कर पा रहे जैसा हम चाहते हैं. But this is also a film that tells us how the scars that conflict, war, hate give us never truly heal. You know, we can see that Chintu के uncle की आंखों में. He has genuine affection for this family and also this pain at not being able to spend time with his wife and kids. बीच में कुछ characters पे आपको गुस्सा आएगा, but by the end of it, you realize that हर कोई अपने सिचुएशन में फंसा है, but there is goodness in everyone's heart. I have already told you about how beautifully everyone has performed in this film. Vinay Pathak ka character is that of a quintessential good guy, okay? He can never see anything wrong in anyone.
My Chintu is crying on his happy birthday. It is wrong.
Even if they try to harm him. जब फिल्म खत्म होती है आपको ऐसे फील होता है कि पता नहीं ऐसे लोग हैं या नहीं, but it does leave you with a thought that probably love, tenderness, empathy can actually heal this world. It's a comforting message, and this film is like comfort food that you want to have a taste of, because फिलहाल आसपास की दुनिया is really becoming unbearable. So if you're wondering what to watch, I think Z5 पर Chintu का birthday is something that you will really enjoy. So make sure you do that, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.